everybody, it's John or zerodotjander again, and here I'm back to play the next level of Kaizo Mario World, the Red Switch Palace. And once again, we're doing this blind. I haven't played this before or seen it play. Let's go. Mario start. And okay, no instant death, which is nice. But alright, I guess we have to take this little Kitu clad through this Muncher path. Oh boy. Alright. Okay. Alright, I know you drift down slightly during the Lakitu cloud, so we have to be careful about that. Alright, here we go. Oh man. How are you gonna deal with this swamp? Are you kidding? I mean, do I have to spin jump on stuff after the swamp? Oh, do I just have to do this? Alright. Let's go around the swamp, and hopefully, oh no. I probably just ruined it, didn't I? Alright. What is good to know is that there appears to be no way to, spin jump out of the cloud. Alright, let's try again. Alright. Through this part. So if we can't spin jump out of the cloud, then we definitely have to go down that corridor and go past the thwomp and avoid those jumping mini thwomps or whatever they're called in the next part. Man, that is a lot better. Alright, there we go. Alright, come on. Up and to the right. Some weird slowdown there. And around. Oh man. This is ridiculous. Alright. I don't see how you're supposed to do it fast enough. Alright, okay. So jumping with the Mario pushes the cloud down. Do we need to take advantage of that? That seems too hard. No, there we go. That wasn't that bad. Oh my god! Magic Koopa. He's gonna shoot magic and kill me. Alright, how do we get around him? Alright. Well, back to the beginning. Wow. Can you imagine doing a full-length level like this? That would be ridiculous. Thank God, at least this is like just a Switch Palace, and therefore short. Alright. Man, you can't run off onto it at all. And up. Back through here again. Wow. Alright, come on, I've done this a couple of times already. I should be better at it by now. Alright, up. And down. Down. Not too much to the side early. Oh, come on now. Down. Not that far down. Alright. Jumping doesn't really seem to help. You seem to go down almost the same speed as you would have otherwise. Almost made it that time. Alright, there we go. Come on. Oh boy. Oh god, there's another thing behind him. Now, I know you can go through the Magic Koopa himself. Oh, cool, we killed him. And down here. And what? What did I die to? That was weird. Can we rewind a bit? Alright. And through this pipe. Oh, we died through the Magic Koopa. Alright. And hey, we're through. That wasn't that hard. Wait. Alright. And that was the Red Switch Palace. Easier than I thought it would be. Thanks for watching. And next time, we'll move on to the next level. I hope activating this Red Switch Palace somehow will... Wait, it didn't give you the option to save right after. That's odd. Oh, that's foreboding, kind of. But let's see what happens, and maybe we'll figure out some way to access the star. I feel there's no way it would let you into Bowser's Castle so easily right here and right now. Alright, next time.